Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 28. Which of the following is used to control inflation in Nigeria? A. Buying of securities in the open market. B. Increase in cash reserve requirements. C. Reduction in bank rates. D. Reduction of taxes. E. Use of deficit budget. So we're looking at means for controlling inflation in Nigeria, and there are many means for controlling inflation in Nigeria and also in other countries, but one of the most common is what is called the open market operations control. Now, this open market operations control, what it does is that it controls inflation, right? And it controls inflation due to the fact that when treasury bills are sold to commercial banks, it decreases money supply, and decrease in money supply controls or prevents inflation from happening. So that is seen in option A, which is buying of securities in the open market. So this is the open market we speak of, the open market operations we speak of. So A, buying of securities in the open market, is the answer to this question. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.